lawsuit. So with that being said, Your Honor, you are to recuse yourself at this moment. You signed an ex parte hearing and there's no constitutional law or basis backing up your claims. Not only that, Your Honor, I mean, she's perjured herself within the documents. There's a failure to state a claim. There's no injured party.
Do you have anything else on the motion to recuse?
Well, when we establish jurisdiction first, then we can move forward. Are you refusing to establish subject matter jurisdiction as relation to Article 3, Section 1 of the Constitution, Judge Murphy? I motion to dismiss for lack of subject matter, Judge Murphy. Are you refusing to comply, Judge Murphy? Are you gonna continue violating my rights, Judge Murphy? These are black letter federal law. I need proof of subject matter jurisdiction and your oath of office filed into the record, on the record, Your Honor. Well, with that said, Your Honor, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss this case. Since you refuse to participate, I'm going to assume that you've abandoned your neutrality.
Does your client wish to be heard on the motion to recuse? Do you have anything to add on that?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the motion to recuse is denied. Now we're
Please.
moving to the balance of the motions. So that is the balance of your motions filed on May 7th and your motion filed on the 20th.
Objection.
Now you're objecting to me allowing you to be heard on your motion?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm objecting to the fact that you haven't addressed subject matter jurisdiction. It's a black letter federal law.
First, the law requires
No, the law requires subject matter jurisdiction. But
when there's a motion to recuse,
mm-hmm.
to stop hearing the case on the merits, consider the motion to recuse,
Okay.
and then, and only then, if the court denies the motion to recuse, then we move on to the rest of the motions. That's what we're doing right now. So you now have 10 minutes to argue the balance of your motions in the May 7th pleading and the May 20th pleading. This is not a question and answer session. This is a time for you to answer your motions. I will give you 10 uninterrupted minutes that begin now.
Your Honor, before we begin, can you please file it to the record, show me proof of subject matter jurisdiction as related to Article 3, Section 1 of the Constitution. Nothing you're doing here is lawful today. Nothing. Article 6, Section 2 of the Constitution commands that you dismiss this case for lack of subject matter jurisdiction. Are you refusing to participate? All right. So you refuse to recuse yourself. You refuse to address subject matter jurisdiction because I am here making a special appearance, presenting in my proper person, propria persona, Your Honor. Are you going to ignore me and violate my rights, Your Honor?
I'm paying attention to every word you're saying, and I'm reviewing the pleadings and the relevant case law. Continue.
The relevant case law. Well, wouldn't you agree that subject matter jurisdiction is a fundamental law? Not statute, law. Constitutional law. Wouldn't you agree, Your Honor? Your Honor, you're not saying anything to me. I need some type of engagement, because jurisdiction is a black letter federal law. Challenging the court's subject matter jurisdiction. I object to the validity of the ex parte hearing. I'm moving for your recusal. Demand a production of delegation of authority and oath of office. I'm placing on the record the petitioner's perjury and bad faith moving in this TPO, Your Honor. Why are you not addressing the black letter federal laws? I'm preserving all my rights and defenses and objections on the record. Am I not speaking clearly enough? Am I not articulating enough, Your Honor? I can't hear you, Your Honor. The 5th and 14th Amendment, Your Honor, of the United States Constitution guarantee that no person shall be deprived of liberty and property without due process of law. You're violating my due process of law right now, Your Honor. Why are you not responding to me, Your Honor? I motion to dismiss, Your Honor, on the record. Is this a court of record, Your Honor? Where's your oath, Your Honor? These are questions that I need you to answer, Your Honor. Why are you refusing to answer, Your Honor? These are all lawful. Your Honor, I can't hear you, Mr. Murphy, Judge Murphy. Can you prove you have the delegated authority to do so? Is this an Article 3 court? Is this a quasi-judicial tribunal, legislative Article 1 court, Your Honor? According to 28 U.S.C. 3002, subsection 2, this is labeled as a tax court. So how can I resolve the settlement, Your Honor?